it was such an amazing experience, I would say. So when we started this competition, it happened last year in the month of it started from October. So we went to different schools in Gangtok, and the school principal, teachers, coordinators, everybody, they really helped us to bring everybody together for the first round. So we had the first round in school itself. So there were so many, I think I'll tell you, almost near about 3,000 students who participated in first round. So and then they got qualified, screening qualified, and then the second round there were 2,200 students, where we had this event in Tadung College. So this and then it's a huge number. It was very exciting, amazing, I would say. And at the same time, we've been running around to make this event successful, because this is happening for the first time in Sikkim. So SIP Abacus is in there in India and international for almost 22 years, but then in Sikkim, and this competition didn't center, it's for the first time, right? So it has been amazing. So third round again, they were like, out of 2,200 students, 500 students qualified for the third round. And then they sat for the competition was very tough, I would say. They were very kind enough to say that it was easy, but 10 minutes there was, they had to solve the mathematical competition for just 10 minutes. So in 10 minutes, these people, the kids, I would say, have done an amazing they've given an amazing performance, and they got selected from the state. And so it was for the first time it is happening. And I would really like to, as I already mentioned, we really like to thank all the parents, school principal, and coordinator, my teachers, who's been really been there helping to make this event very successful. So though even if they did not bring anything from national, that's not the intention. The intention is that our kids should get an opportunity to go out, you know get the feeling of sitting in the competition. They are already a winner themselves. Being selected from state and going out is a winner in themselves. Maybe they are disappointed, but it's just the beginning. We've just started. The journey is really long, I'm sure. तपाईहरुकै सहायताले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ we will be moving forward. And then I would like to bring a smile and such achievement for the kids of my state. So that's what I want to say.
National level competition held in Chennai? When was it?
National was on 2nd of February.
Second of February.
Yes, last week. Yes.
I enjoy a lot. It was very exciting, really amazing.
So you have been Chennai for the national level. So how was your experience over there?
Very nice, very good.
Sir, it was good.
So how was the competition?
Sir, it was a battle of so many people, and yes, but even though I could not bring medals, I got a lesson.
So will that help you in the future endeavors?
Yes, I'll even try to do better
Okay.
from now onwards.
So how was your training at the Abacus Center here? Did it help you in the national level?
I didn't join the Americas.
Oh, you didn't.
Actually,
So
no.
you just went through your school, I guess.
Yes,
Okay, it was a school competition from where you went there. You had fun.
yes.
It was really great. We had top competition in the national level.
So how was the state level?
It was great.
Yeah, you enjoyed.
Yes.
So what was your experience?
It was great, and I enjoyed it.
You enjoyed?
Yes.
Did you learn anything from the competition?
Yes.
What did you learn?
I learned that I have to practice consistently.
Oh, great, 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 great.